Hey guys, it's Micah with the ServiceReef team. And one of the questions we get quite a bit is about reports. I want to talk a little bit today about what you can start to pull out of the system once you have folks starting to apply for your trips and your opportunities. One of the key places to start is actually with the concept of template. Template is a global element within our system. You can have questions that are templates, tasks that are templates, and forms that are templates. These just mean that if it's a template, it's something that we can pull into our reporting. So before we get too far in the process, I want to make sure that you understand that within your application, if you have this blue banner, that means it's an organizational template question. It is a global template question for your organization. If you don't see this blue banner, that means we cannot pull it into reports. So our recommendation is that you make sure that all information you're gathering from someone on a form is a template question. Additionally, once you have a template question, it'll save over here. So when you're building new forms, you can see that information on the screen. Once we have templates in there and questions and data, we can come here to opportunity reports, add a custom report, and we can create something to pull out data from across all the opportunities that we have. For the purposes of simplicity today, let's just say we wanted to do a t-shirt report. This may be something where we want to do one order for all t-shirts for all participants this year. I can choose to run this only at the organizational level or allow trip admins to run it on a team by team level as they're going out into the field. At this point, I can add in the different fields that I want to see specific to this report. So I might want to see the opportunity name, just in case an opportunity has a similar name to something else. I want to see the start date. So I'm pulling the right information for the right person. I'm going to want to pull in the user first name, last name, email address. Opportunity tasks tell us if and when that person did the task that was tied to the opportunity. Template questions allow for me to pull in the answers to form questions that they've answered before. So if I start typing in t-shirt, I can add in the t-shirt size as a question for this report. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see that I can continue to the filters area. This allows me to filter the results based on what the opportunity status is. Is it something that's upcoming or in the past, as well as a custom date range? I can also choose the participants that are coming. For t-shirts, I wouldn't want to order one for someone that wasn't approved, so let's choose approved here. I can also add in my own custom categories to help further refine the results that I receive. At this point, I can click Save and Finish, which will add that report back into my list of reports, or I can go ahead and Save and Run Report, which will do that as well as run the Excel and pull this information out. Once I run that report, you can see that it'll give me the information that I included for the trips that I included in my filters, as well as the results from that question. I hope this information is helpful in understanding reports at a quick and a high level. There's a lot of different ways that you can use this information, including running it individually on each opportunity as well. To run it on an opportunity itself, all I have to do is go into that opportunity, click on the custom reports, and then I can run it specifically just for the participants on this trip. So I hope this information helps. If you have questions, please visit our knowledge base or reach out to us, and we would love to help expand your ability to pull out the data that you need to for your organization.